In strong storms, we use a device called an anemometer to measure the wind speed. The faster the wind's blowing, the faster the circle inside is going to rotate. It counts the rotations, which are then used to calculate the wind speed. We also have a larger anemometer on top of our storm tracker. And when I take the storm tracker out to school visits, I call the anemometer on top ice cream scoopers, because that's what they look like. They look like they're scooping up the wind. The faster the scoopers spin, the faster the wind is blowing. So in this episode of Exploring the Atmosphere with Alyssa, we'll go home and I'll show you exactly how to make an anemometer that you can use back at home.
Take 4 of the cups and punch one hole on the side of the cup, about a half an inch below the rim on each cup. Next, take the 5th cup, this will be your center cup, and then punch 2 holes directly across from each other, about a half an inch below the rim. Also on the 5th cup, punch 2 more holes 1/4 of an inch below the rim, directly opposite of the other. These holes should be equally spaced between the first 2 holes. Take the 5th cup and use a push pin to make a hole on the bottom of the cup. Then take scissors to make the hole bigger. The hole needs to be large enough to fit the pencil. Slide 1 straw through one of the hole punched cups. Bend a half an inch of the straw's end and tape to the inside of that cup. Feed the taped straw through the center cup, the one with the 4 holes. Make sure you push the straw through the holes that are directly across from each other. A half an inch hole should match up with the other half an inch hole. Push the straw through one of the other cups and tape it to the inside of that cup. Repeat these steps with the other straw and cups to make your spinning wind reader. Okay, this is important. Make sure the openings of cups 1 through 4 are all facing the same way. All 4 cups should be sideways. Push the eraser side of the pencil through the opening on the bottom of the center cup. Push the pencil upward until it meets the intersecting straws. Push the push pin through the intersecting straws into the eraser. Don't push the pin in too tight, otherwise the anemometer won't spin when it's in the wind.
And there you have it. To find out what creates wind and why the wind even blows, you can go to wsav.com/stormteam3 now to find out more about the wind and other projects and experiments.